Welcome to Infigyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting rational equation which will be solving for the real values of x. Now, most students will instantly take LCM here, but that's the wrong move. In this video, we'll see the smarter and the easier method to solve such kind of rational equations. Now, I wish you to pause this video right now and try this equation by yourself first. X belongs to real numbers, so our denominators cannot be equal to 0. We will write x can't be -3, -4, -5. Now we are going to write our numerators. I will take x common, so in the bracket we can write x plus 3 and there will be plus 1 in the numerator, and in denominator we'll write x plus 3. Then we have plus. Now we will take 4x common from these two terms. So we will write 4x times x plus 4 plus 3 in the numerator. And we have x plus 4 in the denominator. From here we will take 7x common. So we can write here 7x is common. In the bracket we will write x plus 5. Then there is plus 1. Denominator is x plus 5. And in RHS we will write 48x plus 7 over 4. Now we are going to split numerators with respect to our denominators. So we can write x times x plus 3 over x plus 3. X plus 1 over x plus 3 plus 4x times x plus 4 over x plus 4, 4x plus 3 over x plus 4 plus 7x times x plus 5 over x plus 5, 7x plus 1 over x plus 5, and in RHS 48x over 4 is 12x plus 7 over 4. Now we have x plus 4x plus 7x in LHS, which is 12x, and it is there in the RHS also. So we will subtract 12x from both the sides. So we can write our equation 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 5 plus 3 over x plus 4 equal to 7 over 4. Now we are going to use substitution. Let us say x plus 4 equal to u. So I will write our equation first. So let us write here our substitution x plus 4. Suppose this is u. So we can write x plus 3 in terms of u will be u minus 1. And we can also write the value of x plus 5 in terms of u will be u plus 1, which we are going to put over here. So we will write our equation in variable u. 1 over x plus 3 will be 1 over u minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 5 will be 1 over u plus 1, and then we have 3 over u. In RHS we have 7 over 4. Now we are going to take LCM over here. So we will get u plus 1 plus u minus 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator we can write u minus 1 times u plus 1. Then we have plus 3 over u. In RHS we will write 7 over 4. Now we know that a minus b times a plus b is a square minus b square. We'll cancel plus 1 and minus 1 from the numerator. So we can write 2u over u square minus 1 plus 3 over u equal to 7 over 4. We'll write 4 over here. Now we will take LCM once again. So I can write here 3 over u plus 2u over u square minus 1 equal to 7 over 4. We'll write here u times u square minus 1 in the denominator. Here we'll write 3 times u square minus 1 plus 2u times u. I am writing 2u square equal to 7 over 4. Now we'll simplify and we can write 3u square minus 3 plus 2u square in the numerator of LHS. And in denominator we can write u cube minus u. In RHS we have 7 over 4. Now we will cross multiply. So we can write 4 times 3u square minus 4 times 3 plus 2u square. This will be equal to 7 times u cube minus u. Or we can write 12u square minus 12 plus 8u square equal to 7u cube minus 7u. 12u square, 8u square, we can write 20u square. So 20u square minus 12 equal to 7u cube minus 7u. Or we'll write our cubic equation 7u cube minus 20u square minus 7u plus 12 equal to 0. This is one cubic equation. We can think about rational root theorem and synthetic division method. So we will write equation first 7u cube minus 20u square minus 7u plus 12 equal to 0. Now we have to find eligible factors of constant 12 and eligible factors of leading coefficient 7. So we can write here plus minus 1 plus minus 7 as 7 is prime number. Here we'll be writing plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 4 plus minus 6 plus minus 12. Now we'll take the ratio of constant to leading coefficient and I will check our value u equal to 1, whether it will satisfy our cubic equation or not. So 7 minus 20 minus 7 plus 12. 12 plus 7 is 19, which is not equal to minus 27. If I will check u equal to minus 1, we'll write here minus 7 minus 20 plus 7 plus 12. No, it is not satisfying our equation. If I will check u equal to 2, 2 cube is 8, 8 times 7 is 56, minus 20 times 4, we will write here 80, minus 7 times 2 is 14, plus 12. So we can write here, it cannot be equal to 0 as we have minus 94 and plus 68. Now we will check u equal to minus 2. So we will write here minus 56 minus 80. Then we'll write here plus 14 plus 12. Again it is not satisfying equation. Let us check u equal to 3. 3 cube is 27. 27 times 7 is 189. Minus 20 times 9 will write 180. Minus 7 times 3 21 plus 12. So 189 plus 12 is 201. Minus 180 minus 21 is minus 201. So this time it is satisfying our equation. We will say u equal to 3 is our base solution. Now we can use synthetic division method. So in this method we need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation. So coefficient of u cube is 7, coefficient of u square is minus 20, coefficient of u is minus 7, constant is plus 12. We will write here 7 minus 20 minus 7 plus 12. We'll put one line over here. Leading coefficient would be as it is, 7. Now we have to multiply our base solution with leading coefficient 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. We will write over here. We need to add these two numbers. So we will get plus 1 over here. Again 3 times 1 is 3. We will write here. We will add these two numbers. We will get minus 4. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. We are going to get addition 0. And these are coefficients for quadratic equation in U. So we will write quadratic 7u square plus u minus 4 equal to 0. I will write here 7u square plus u minus 4 equal to 0. Here a is 7, b is 1, c is negative 4. We are going to use quadratic formula to find the values of u. So u will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. I will get minus 1 plus minus square root of b square will be 1 minus 4 times 7 times minus 4. Value will be plus 112. And in denominator 2 times 7 will be 14. So we are going to get minus 1 plus minus square root of 113 over 14. So we have 3 values of u in total. I will write here u equal to 3 and minus 1 plus minus square root of 113 over 14. Now u was our substitution x plus 4. So here we can write x plus 4 equal to 3 minus 1 plus minus square root of 113 over 14. To find our real solutions, we need to only subtract 4 from both the sides. So we are going to get our answers. X equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 plus minus square root 113 over 14 minus 4. So we are going to get minus 57 plus minus square root of 113 over 40. So there are 3 real solutions. Minus 1, minus 57 plus minus square root 113 over 14. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.